Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the new NU25 UL from Nitecore. The UL here stands for ultralight. They also do have an updated regular NU25 that has the same elastic headband as the original too, if you do prefer that. What's great about the new UL version is that it's very lightweight at just 45 grams or 1.59 ounces. It also now has an additional white and red LED for more brightness of both the floodlight and the spotlight functions. It now also puts out 400 maximum lumens compared to the 350 I think it was before, and it also has a glow-in-the-dark headband. But perhaps the best new addition is that it now charges via USB-C, which makes it much more versatile. So the buttons on top are actually now bigger and easy to press than the old version, which is a big improvement. Another big improvement over the old one is that the addition of the 4 LED battery level lights. A quick press on the power button lights up the LEDs to show you approximately how much battery is remaining, which the old one had no way of really doing. I have been using this every morning for around 15 to 30 minutes per day, usually in the red LED mode. Using the light in this way has lasted me several months before I've needed to charge, but of course using the white lights will likely draw more power. The red LED is 10 lumens and has a usage rating of about 16 hours. You can see this chart here on their website for more of the battery usage runtimes. The two buttons on the top also act as shortcuts to certain light settings. Pressing and holding the left mode button when the light is off turns on the red LEDs. A quick double press on the right power button when the light is off will turn on the floodlight to the ultra low or the lowest power setting. Pressing both buttons at the same time turns on the lock mode so you won't accidentally turn it on in your bag or pocket. In terms of actual usage, the lights are very bright, and having the option of a red floodlight and a spotlight function makes it very versatile. To show you what it looks like at night, here's me cycling through the settings. We have a solid red, flashing red, floodlight at the ultra low, low, mid, and then the spotlight on the low and mid, and then both the floodlight and the spotlight on the low, mid, and high. There is also an SOS and beacon mode as I mentioned. Double tapping the mode button gives you the SOS flashing. And while that is flashing, you can press the power button once to switch to the beacon mode, which is a continuous flash. And just quickly, since we're comparing here, it is compared to the original NU25, and as you can see, it's much brighter and improved. Finally, the new ultralight headband is very comfortable and easy to wear, and even wearing it for long periods of time, I haven't felt that it is uncomfortable. The light is also 1 meter impact resistant and has a IP66 water resistance, so wearing it in the rain will be just fine. Overall, a really great improvement over the original NU25, and it will certainly have a place in my everyday carry for all of my future trips. Do leave a comment below what is your favorite flashlight, or do you prefer using your phone? And be sure to check out the links below.